Why they mad? Why they mad? Why they mad? Cause I bought a Beamer, bought a Benz, bought a Jag. Then we kicking and we smoking, now you big man. I started hating with you niggas and got a quarter back. Why they mad? Why they mad? Why they mad? Well, I'ma tell you why they mad at me. Cause I won't let the hoes crab off me. They say it's lonely at the top.
Hey, listen, I really miss you too. It's been about 4 or 5 years since we've been apart. You let that shit go over your head, I took it to the heart. Them boys then told me you was a fuck nigga, I knew from the start. I copped a brand new Jag, my shit pushed the start. I had your baby mama in it, threw a perk in me. She asked me for a little tip, most certain, listen. I gave her ass $200, that shit ain't hurting me. But you ain't gon' give you no money for no surgery.
Well, I can't think of anything you did for me, and I ain't never mentioned what I did for you. And I don't give a fuck if you kin to me. If you start with me, I will put it into you.
I really upgraded, I really done made it. I am the greatest, I let y'all debate it. I already done showed it, I am really goated, I am really chosen. Hey man, that's F&F Haitian Jew, man, aka the hit maker. You know what I'm saying? I'm really the chosen one, man, I'm really goated, man. And shout out to all my niggas, man, that's showing love from all across the world.
Why they mad? Why they mad? Why they mad? Cause I bought a Beamer, bought a Benz, bought a Jag. Then we kicking and we smoking, now you big man. I started hating with you niggas and got a quarter back. Why they mad? Why they mad? Why they mad? Well, I'ma tell you why they mad at me. Cause I won't let the hoes crab off me. They say it's lonely at the top, I wanna see.